In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in Sprout Social. If you're new to social media management or even an experienced marketer, Sprout Social is an excellent tool for organizing and scheduling your content effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in navigating the platform and getting your posts out there efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This can be anything you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once that's done, head over to the search bar and type in Sprout Social. Go ahead and hit enter, and you should see their official website popping up in your search results. Click on that link to take you to Sprout Social's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to log in to your account. Look for the Sign In or Sign Up button, depending on whether you already have an account or need to create a new one. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. The process is standard, similar to signing into any online platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Sprout Social dashboard. It's the hub where all the magic happens. To start creating a post, look towards the top right corner. There you'll find a blue pen icon. Clicking this is the quickest way to get started with drafting your post. Alternatively, if you prefer planning ahead, navigate to the Publishing section on the left sidebar and click on the calendar icon. This allows you to pick a specific date for your post, which is particularly useful if you're scheduling content in advance. After choosing your preferred method and time for posting, it's time to select the social media profiles you want to post on. Sprout Social lets you manage multiple profiles from one place, so go ahead and use the Profile Picker tool to choose the ones you'd like to publish to. You can select multiple profiles if you're planning to share the same content across different platforms. Now, let's craft your post. Here's where you add in all the details: your message, any media like photos or videos, tags to improve discoverability, and location if that's something you'd like to include. Sprout Social provides a variety of editing tools to help tailor your post to suit each platform's unique requirements. Once your post is ready, it's time to pick when you want it to go live. Scheduling is one of the most powerful features of Sprout Social. You can choose to post it immediately or set a specific time and date for it to be published. This way, you maintain a steady posting schedule without needing to be online constantly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through Sprout Social to create and schedule a post. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself with all the features Sprout Social offers. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!